Hello, captains. As we all know, 77% of people are financially insecure, meaning they're always stressing about their income. 52% are struggling to manage or stay afloat with their finances. 58% of people feel that their finances control their lives, aka paycheck to paycheck. Today, I'm going to tell you that you're not alone. I'm going to give you 8 reasons why you're most likely broke, and with a little knowledge, we'll be able to at least have a foot in the door of financial success. Now, before I start, I will have to give a disclaimer. I am not a legal financial advisor. If you need a specific advice for your unique position, please hire one. I'm not trying to get sued. I'm just like you, financially insecure. Okay, let's get started. Here are 8 reasons. Number 1, living beyond your means. This is when someone spends more money than they make. The biggest enabler are credit cards. Credit card company just make it too easy, just a swipe and think about it later. Have you seen their credit card commercials lately? You're just a tap away, literally. Second reason is lack of budgeting. Majority of people do not have a financial plan. Without a financial plan, it's definitely too easy to overspend especially all that money that you work for. Third reason is debt. Student loan, auto loan, credit cards, especially the ones with the high interest rates. We tend to focus more on the monthly payments and not the interest. If a company stretches out the payment plan over a long period of time, the return can be as much as 100% if you're making the minimum payments. Now, guys, we gotta have a moment of silence and hit that subscribe button and like button. I really appreciate it. Now, the fourth reason is emergency. Unexpected expenses and medical bills, and the most common, car repairs. Shout out to all the Range Rovers owners out there. Number 5 is also an unpredictable circumstances, and that would be a job loss, aka fired or a pay cut. Number 6 is the lack of financial literacy. Majority of people do not know how interest works. People don't know how and where to invest. Short wealth is prioritized over long-term wealth. I understand. I love quick money too, especially if it's easy. If robbing a bank was easy, I would have made a video on this a long time ago, trust me. Number 7 would be gambling. Gambling is one of the fastest ways to lose your money. The casino is pretty much robbing you, but at least you're having fun. At the time of making this video, the current Mega Million is $104 million. That figure just gives anyone hope. The hope of financial freedom until that one family member reaches out to you who you've never met before and asks for a small favor, a Range Rover. The last but definitely not least, have a poor money management. If you have a poor money management, that $104 million mega money will only last a few seconds. Trust me, I can spend $104 in a matter of few seconds. So, from the common list, which one resonates to you the most? Overall, it's important to live within your means, budget and save, and avoid high levels of debt. Seek help if you're experiencing financial difficulties. Stay tuned for my next video and we will tackle these 8 common reasons. See you soon, captains.